friends, Running Kimono. So we're heading over to the Dollar General. We have not been at the store in a couple of weeks because there have been a lot of weird issues with digital coupons, just non-existent, or like our favorites, the 5 off 25. They were giving us like a 10 off of 60 and some weird stuff. So this specific deal, we're going to use a 3 off of 15. I have a link so most of you can get that coupon and I'll walk you through it. And it is to get this basket of 4 items very cheap. So this is the digital coupon that you have to load. So you're going to go to the pinned comments of this video, so the top comments in the comment section, and follow the link. And then you're going to have to press it, obviously, and then log into your Dollar General account. So your email address or phone number, and then your password. Easy. And then you're going to click Add to Wallet, and that's exactly where it will be in the app. If you go to your wallet, the bottom, the middle icon, it's like a little wallet, and it'll say just for you. It'll pop up there. It's not going to be in your digital coupons folder, so if you're going to go look for it there, you will not be able to find it. It's going to be in the just for you. I did a deal yesterday with it, and it works. So if you used this earlier in the month, you won't be able to load it a second time, but if you're new to it like me, it should work for you. So either put in your zip or your just follow the prompts. It should be easy peasy. Okay, so let's take a look at this deal. It is an any day deal. This is what we're grabbing. One of the Scott paper towel, and then 2 Scott toilet paper, and 1 Bic Soleil. For the longest time, there was always $4 off when you buy $20 of Kimberly-Clark products. That vanished a couple weeks, about a month ago. Now, what they have put instead, and it's only until June, it's $3 off when you spend $15 on Scott products. Thus, the other paper products are not included, Kleenex, Viva. It's only the Scott products. Okay, so just to jog you through what I got for $3.45, we have the Bic Soleil razor. This was always like $3.30, so it's jumped up in price. And we have this digital $4 off, so it is giving us a little bit of overage to help us out with the overall basket. So how nice is that? Please make sure you have this guy loaded. And just to note, all digital coupons are of a one-time use as well. Then we're going to grab 2 of these Scott's toilet papers. Now they say 5, but for whatever reason this week, they're on sale for $4.75. So that makes a little bit of savings. It'll be $9.50 for the 2. And if you look at the tags, there it is. And then it says save 3 on when you spend $15 on Scott, the paper towel and toilet paper. And this is right until June the 11th. And the same thing is in the app. So you know it's working. We need to load this digital coupon. Now, I thought there was another coupon on coupons.com, but I cannot find it. So I think they took it away from us. But I thought there was an extra $1, but nope. We're also going to grab this guy, which is the paper towel. And as you can see, the old tag is on there, but that is clearly not the price. Below it, they didn't change the tags, but higher, they had the tags changed. So that's kind of interesting. So it's $5.95. And again, the same, save 3 when you spend 15. Thus, you're grabbing the right product. And there's also a $1 digital coupon for this guy. So here it is. So please make sure you have it loaded. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this, 2 Scott toilet papers is $9.50. They're $4.75 a pop. 1 Scott paper towel is $5.95 for a total of $15.45. You're going to have that 3 off 15 instant savings. You don't need to load any coupons. It just comes off automatically at the till. So your new total now is $12.45, but we want to use another 3 off of 15, which is the Dollar General one. So we're going to be short. So let's grab that Bic razor. So the new subtotal is $15.90. Thus, we'll be able to use that second 3 off 15. We also have $6 of digitals, the $1 for the paper towel, the $1 for the toilet paper, and then the 4 off for the razor. You're going to pay $6.90 for the 4 products, shaking it out to $1.72 per product. Remember, this is an any day deal, so if you wish to go and do this today, absolutely get your coat on and get out to the store. And just to show you my receipt, I normally don't do this, but this is the email version. It's easier to decipher. If you look at the very bottom, $6.90 subtotal, this deal works perfectly. The purchase of the Scott and the Scott and the Scott, all those wonderful paper products, that is part of the Fetch Rewards catalog. So let's not forget to take a quick photo of your receipt for this app. And you're going to get back extra points. It's a very easy app to use, very user intuitive. You photograph receipts to earn points towards gift cards. Super easy. If you've been kind of like, I don't want to sign up for this, you should, because it's a very easy app to use. Check out the link pinned in the notes and sign up for Fetch Rewards. It is a terrific app, and new users get an extra $2 bonus when you submit your first receipt. It could be anything, a pack of gum you bought last week, so check it out. Okay, guys, last deal we're going to talk about is a Saturday. So we are going to need some different coupons loaded for this one, including our favorite, which appeared again last Sunday, which is the 5 off of 25. Please make sure you have this one loaded in your digital coupons folder. So for this basket, we're going to grab our usual suspects that are the Scott, and then one razor. So we're going to grab these 4 items. And then the digital coupons we need loaded include the 4 off. And let's not forget, all digital coupons are a one-time use. So if you do this deal earlier in the week, you won't have the coupons again there for a Saturday deal. So pick and choose what you want to do. And then we're also going to need this one for the toilet paper. We're also going to grab one of these Airwick plugs for $1.95. And we have a digital coupon for $1.95 off of this product. So end caps, regular air care, fun, smelly aisle. Just look for it high and low. We're also going to grab one of these beautiful razors for $6. It is the Skintimate. There's 2 versions of it. One's a little cheaper, but most stores have this purple one. And then we have this $4 offer for one of these Skintimate disposable razors. And we're also going to grab one of these shaving creams for $3 on the nose, and we have a very generous $1 digital coupon to go with. So please make sure you have all those coupons loaded. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this, 2 of the Scott's toilet paper for $9.50, 1 Scott paper towel for $5.95. So your subtotal here is $15.45, but we're going to get some instant savings at the till. So the new total is $12.45, and we're trying to factor in $12.45 to get to a $25 basket. So adding more to that, $1.99 for the refill by Airwick, $3.45 for the Bic razor, $6 for the Skintimate razor, and then $3 for the Skintimate shave gel. So the new total is $26.89. If you're going to add all of that up, it will be $29.89 for those that love to correct me on that, but it's already been factored in. Now, the cashier will press the final pay button, 5 off 25, along with $12.95 of digitals will be coming off. You're paying $8.94 for the 7 items. It shakes it out to $1.27 per product. Not too shabby. Guys, if you're going to load this, you got to use it separately than the 5 off 25 because the 2 won't stack. That's been my experience in the past. So I would do a $15 basket, try and figure something out, and then do your Saturday 5 off 25, or don't load it at all if you don't want to do it. That second basket to do on Saturday is a fine one, but just be mindful of that. I have done that before in the past where I've loaded all of these and then I'm paying an extra $2 on a Saturday basket, which kind of stinks. So just be kind of mindful of that. Question I seem to be getting a lot is, when is the clearance event going to be happening? My guess, and this is just a crystal ball, I think it's going to be the week of June the 10th, so 10th, 11th, 12th, that weekend. And I'm just taking a guess from last year's, how they were having the clearance event. It was that week. It certainly won't be Memorial Day weekend, so it'll either be the first or second week of June, and a lot of stores are staging for it. The more information I get and when the memo drops, I will let you guys know. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.